Welcome to Critchleys TV. On today's short episode, we're talking GDPR. Now, before you turn off, we're not going to talk about what it is or why you should do it or how you should do it. What we wanted to do today is a little bit different. We're going to offer you 3 questions that you should ask anyone who processes your data. And indeed, if you process data on behalf of other people, you should really ask these questions of yourself. Now, to help us do this today, I'm delighted to introduce you to Annie Owen. Hi, Annie.
Hello there. So my first question I would ask about my data is, if someone from the ICO, the Information Commissioner's Office, came to your office, would they be happy with what they found? And if not, why not?
Could you answer that question? I hope so. We certainly could now because Annie's here.
Yeah, we could. I'd be very happy to conduct the ICO around our office.
Great. So what's question number 2?
So my second question is, other than you, who else do you give access to my data and where in the world are they?
And what's our third question?
So the third question is, who would I speak to in your organisation about the care and protection of my data? So who's me in your organisation?
And that presumably is an important question because it helps us understand whether this has been taken seriously by an organisation and it's actually been embraced as a moment of cultural transformation, or whether it's been a tick box exercise just to try and please a regulation. That's
right. You'd want to know it's more than just some documents lifted off the internet and shoved in a file on somebody's computer and someone's desktop. This is live. This is a culture change.
So what I should say is, after we've recorded this, we're going to go on and record a short podcast with Annie where we can just go into a little bit more detail, take our time in understanding what the GDPR story has been here at Critchleys. So if you're a Critchleys client, that's worth listening to because I think we can put your mind at rest in terms of the lengths to which we go to ensure your data is respected and cared for and curated and used in a really appropriate and safe way. But if you're also a business owner and you're interested in how we've applied GDPR to our organisation, then that's also another reason to listen in. So you'll see the link to that podcast below this video. But for now, Annie, thank you for joining us and thank you very much for watching.